leading. The Voice of the People candidate Ricky A.J. Syngkon has emerged as the winner with a landslide victory from the Shillong parliamentary seat, defeating sitting Congress MP Vincent Pala. The National People Party (NPP) and the Congress have suffered a major setback as they lost the Tura and the Shillong parliamentary seats. Meanwhile, the outcome of this election is a major jolt for the ruling MDA coalition, since the two parliamentary seats have been won by the opposition parties. Taking to X, NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has accepted the defeat of the party candidates, saying, "We humbly accept and respect the mandate of the people and wish Mr. Syllong A. Sangma and Mr. Ricky Andrew J. Syngkon the very best."
As you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party, and we will follow that vision. When we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So which of those issues would be taken up, that we will let you all know once as a party, we sit and take a decision.
In a tightly contested race, Syllong A. Sangma